What's up all my fine girls? No pimple is Whit here again with another video. So we are back with another Bring It Back Thursday video, and pretty much if you're new to my channel, Bring It Back Thursday is a series that I started here on my channel where I try to use older palettes, you know, show them some love again. It's been a while since I've used them. It's a great way for me and also for you guys to, you know, watch our pockets. You know, we're not always spending, buying the newest thing out there. We once loved these palettes, and yeah, let's go ahead and play with them. So today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill, her Morphe collab. This is the volume 2 palette. And this is what the inside looks like. Pretty neutral up top. You get some pinks and purples, and yeah, so that is this palette. And let us just jump right into this look. So for primer today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base in the shade medium. I love this stuff. Alrighty, so the eyes have been primed, and so today I'm gonna do something kind of like bold, but also like neutral-ish. Well, not neutral, but like neutral colors. Okay, so I think for my transition color, I was like, what does that be called? I'm gonna take the shade G Money, this right here. It's like a really nice, pretty like tan color. This is a really nice palette. It really is. I feel like this is a really nice color story. It just, I really feel like if this palette would have came out in the era of when Jaclyn Hill was still very light, this palette would have done exceptionally well, like her original Morphe. Well, you know, there's like the original Morphe collab. Y'all remember that when she did the collab with, she took like their single shades and it was like her favorites of Morphe singles and made a palette. I never bought that one, but then like, you know, everyone really knows about her volume 1 palette. If this palette would have came out around that time, because I feel like she was still for the most part light. I feel like when people started really disliking her was, well, it started with her, I feel like it truly hit off with her Morphe collab with the Volt palettes. People were just kind of like, what the heck is this? And then I feel like she really got it bad when the lipsticks came out from her brand, I believe. That did not go over well. But the thing is, if we look at the history of Jaclyn Hill, this was there were signs there like that, you know, she wasn't the best person to, you know, let me not say collaborate with, but like she wouldn't take ownership. Like when I think back to her Becca collabs, what was it? They had an eyeshadow palette that they had to pull because of, I forgot what the reason was, but I remember her Becca collab, after she did the highlighter, she did another collab with them, was like the face palette, an eyeshadow palette, and some other stuff. I still have that face palette too. Something happened and she pretty much let Becca take the entire blame. Like she pretty much said it was, yeah, it was them. And I was just like, okay. And then we see her literally do it again to Morphe. I don't know. Sorry, I'm just talking. Okay, what shade do I want to use next? I want something a little bit deeper. I kind of want to go into the shade, kinda want to go into the shade Homebody. Oh, sorry, this shade right here. Anyways, what was I even saying? Oh yeah, this is pretty. But pretty much, I just feel like this palette was really nice, and I feel like it sold pretty well. But I feel like this could have had way more success had it been, if she hadn't had such terrible collabs in the past. And not only just collabs, but like, when did her lipsticks come out? I want to say her lipsticks came out before this palette, right? I can't remember because I have never bought anything from her actual like makeup line. But I want to say it came out before this palette. Yeah, it did. It came out the summer of I just remember it was summer of 2019. And then this palette released around January, February of 2020. And I think it was just, at this point, her reputation was just tarnished. But I see she has made like a nice little comeback for herself on her channel. She doesn't really do beauty videos. She's like more into like lifestyle stuff, and it does really well. Like, I mean, Jaclyn Hill is somebody that literally, like, something about her is just so, I don't know how to say it. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like, she can sell you anything. I'm gonna go into the black in the palette, which is called Temptress. This is a really nice black. She real life can sell you anything. And so sometimes I don't like watching her videos because I'm like, I'm not trying to buy nothing. And the way she talks up a product, like, that woman is a certified saleswoman. Like, and it's like, she can talk about something that you're not even, like, she wouldn't even try to like actively trying to sell it to you. She's just talking about it, but like there's so much conviction and passion, and just like I just feel compelled to buy the stuff. Like that woman can really sell anything. Okay, so the black has been applied. So I'm gonna take that brush that I was using to first put on the crease shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edges of this black shade. I'm filming like really early. It's like 6 in the morning that I'm filming this video. So my current job was a work from home position, but now they're trying to have us come back to the office, which I've just been having a lot of back and forth with this. Like, I really just kind of want to sit at home and do my job because it's something that I don't need to physically interact with the customers, and the drive to get there is freaking ridiculous. Like, it's pretty much like a 40 to 50 minute drive for me, and I'm like, ugh. And I work part-time because I am in school, so it's like I don't want to work full-time at this job, so my shift just doesn't even feel like it's worth it. So I don't know. I don't know about this job right now. I really am gonna see if y'all can make an accommodation or something, because driving there, yo, like when I say I dreamt about this last night, like I cannot believe that I have to really drive there. Like, that's just, no. So I decided to just get up today early in the morning to film this video. Since I was already gonna wear makeup to work, I was like, oh, perfect. Let me just go ahead and film my video. That way I can come home and just edit it. Okay, so I like the way that blended. And then I think I wanna do something a little bit more. Okay, so her palette is either you could do like a champagne kind of color, more like a rose gold, or like a gold. And I kind of want to do this for whatever reason. I am drawn to that color, and I just feel like that might be a bit much for today, but I want to do it. I'm going to use the shade Talia, I believe that's what it's called, this shade. Y'all, I just realized something. I was so like into getting this, to doing this video, that I completely forgot to do the theme song. Oh my gosh, so should we do it now? Should we do it now? I think we should do it now. Okay, because like, listen, I forgot. I literally just looked, I said, wait a minute. I forgot something. Usually I'm tired before I start my videos, and that was because of from dancing. Okay, well, let's go ahead and jump into the theme song. So we're gonna do a mid-video, okay? Alrighty, so we are back. Okay, let's continue this eye look. Y'all, I legit forgot about that. I knew something was just a little different. I was like, this is just, something's off. I just couldn't remember. Okay, so do any of you guys like do this? Like for me, like I can become very obsessive over a particular thing and want to keep buying it. Like there's times where like all I want is just palettes, right? And then right now my current craze or obsession was perfumes. And now I feel like I'm finally out of it. Like I just don't really have a desire to buy any new perfumes. And I feel like moving into it now is James Avery. Like you guys, I can't get enough. Like I want more charms. I just soldiered on 2 new charms on this side, and last night I ordered 2 more. Cause I'm just obsessed. Like I want to fill up my charm bracelet. Like I don't have the patience to like wait for somebody to buy me a charm. Like I want charms now. And really, I don't know why I need to wait for somebody. Like, I mean, it's my charm bracelet. Like I want to put what I want on here, and I don't want to wait around. That's my issue. That's the issue with me. If anybody wants to buy me a gift, like it is so hard to shop for me because I don't have the patience to wait for somebody to buy it for me. Like if I want it, I want it, and I'm gonna buy it. Like I don't know. Some people just like, they can literally wait around for someone to get it for them. I cannot do that. Like when I want something, I want it, and I don't want to wait for somebody to get it for me. It's like, can you move a little bit faster? And you know what, if you can't, it's okay, because I'm gonna get it. I am not somebody that's easy to shop for, because like there's things that I want, but I just buy it for myself. Okay, I think I like this. This is just, it's a nice little soft look. I want this to be just a little bit higher up. This is actually really cute. I feel like I want to put a little bit more black on there. Let me see, maybe with a smaller brush, because I feel like the brush that I'm using to put that on isn't like as small as I would like, so it's not like putting it in a detailed manner. So let's use this one. This is actually a really nice black eyeshadow. All right, so I think I'm gonna leave this alone. I like the way this looks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look, and we will close out the video. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and I think it looks amazing. It looks fabulous. I did take the black eyeshadow and I just smudged it down below. On my lips, I am wearing the NYX Espresso lip liner, the Huda Beauty Her Lipstick in Staycation, and this limited edition MAC lip gloss in the shade Girl on Board. Just what it looks like. I showed it. Anyways, so yeah, you guys, this is it. This looks nice. Okay, so y'all, I'm literally going into the office to step, okay? Because like all these people that I work with, I've only ever seen them like on Zoom calls, WebEx meetings. So like I've never actually physically seen them in person. And every time I be on camera, usually I only show my eyes. I'm like, I want you to see my face. And then there's sometimes I have shown my face. And listen, they've only seen me at home, Whitney, okay? I'm gonna come to the office for a split second, you know, just to, you know, show y'all what I can do. But best believe tomorrow there will be no makeup. Yeah, but I want to start wearing makeup more frequently. I feel like I have, especially now that I definitely post a lot more videos on YouTube, so I'm definitely wearing makeup more often. And now that I have a job where I have weekends off, like I'm able to go out with my friends on the weekends because usually they're off on the weekends, so I have more opportunities to wear my makeup. So you know, I'm loving this, okay? But anyways, so that's that with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below any video that, or not video, any palette you want to see for future Bring It Back Thursday. I skipped last week's Bring It Back Thursday video because I had finals. Like the way my program, my master's program is set up is done in 8-week sessions. So like it's a lot. Like I'm taking 2 courses that are done in 8 weeks that normally would be done in 16 weeks. And I'm taking 4 courses over the span of 16 weeks. Just 2 are in 8 weeks, 2 are in another 8 weeks. So last week was my finals for my first half of the semester. And then starting next week after my spring break is this week for me, it will be the next half. So anyways, it was finals last week, and listen, I love you too, but school takes priority literally over anything at this point. So I'm like, I'm gonna graduate. Okay, I'm done this fall. But anyways, that's that with that. I'm done with rambling. Okay, I said I'm done with rambling. I'm done rambling. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye. All right.